2015 Cape Law, Unit 1, Paper 1. Let's start. Which of the following best defines the term law in the context of a civil state enforceable body of rules? Which of the following applicable to positive law? Right, must be obeyed even if repressive. Decisions of Shaw v. DPP and Nollery are conspiracy to corrupt public morals. Right, the rule of statutory interpretation which seeks to avoid an unjust. Wouldn't it be the I'm not sure about this answer, but I will put purposive. If it's golden, please leave a comment as to why. The supreme source of law in the criminal current is the written constitution. Right, let's look at this. West Indian law and legal system evolved from colonialism. Which of the following countries has not accepted appellate jurisdiction, right, for Caribbean Court of Justice? Right, this would be the Bahamas. Which of the following has been held to render a death sentence unconstitutional? Cruel nature of the death penalty. Failure to permit an appeal. Delay between sentence and execution. Right, so I believe that would be the best answer, because that was argued in Pratt v. Morgan, wasn't it? Well, Pratt and Morgan v. Attorney General of Jamaica. Number 9. Any person who parks a motor. This has nothing to do with law, with religion or moral, so it would be positive law. Right. Here now, the rule. Does it say the rule? The rules of statutory interpretation are intended to assist courts interpreting legislation. The mischief rule, right, we saw this as well, determine defects of the parliament was trying to fix. Zinga now, right, killing. This would result in criminal law. The judge in sentencing the defendant said to him, "Be careful for your associates." Right, there was no evidence. Okay, this is obiter dictum. Right, these are all repeats. Right, which of the following are features of delegated legislation? So we're looking at the first two. Rob now, right, who spoke about Rob and his attorney. Right, his attorney spoke behind his back. Right, okay, some constitutional provisions may only be changed. Alright, if it has a special procedure, so it's entrenched. All legislation in Commonwealth Caribbean territories is subject to judicial review for conformity with the Constitution. On what constitutional doctrine? This would be the primacy of the Constitution. Alright, so everything seems fine so far. Give it a second for it to adjust. My screen is going all over the place. Alright. Assignment of judges should be secure under the okay, this is independence of the judiciary. Which of the following philosophers is not associated with the doctrine of separation of powers? Confucius. The organs state best function when there is separation of powers. State no one above the law is attributed to Professor Dicey. Right, and an independent judiciary is indispensable for fair trial, a fair hearing. Alright, so going through. Right, so I'm soon done for the night. It's almost midnight. Which branch of law deals with the powers and duties of government? This would be constitutional law. The rules made by the local plumbing council prohibits a plumber from advertising services to the public. The fundamental right is the freedom of expression being withdrawn. Hope I'm not. I'm at 2015. Alright. So the Prime Minister, if the Prime Minister can be charged and sentenced, that is under the rule of law. All men must be seen as equal. Buster now. Alright. I think this case explains why the death sentencing will have an issue when there's a delay. Alright, so look at Pratt and Morgan v. Attorney General of Jamaica. The Parliament of State Antibago, right, in the Commonwealth Caribbean passed legislation which bars the establishment of fast food outlet franchises. Marvin challenges this in the High Court as a deprivation of his property rights under the Constitution, since he is in the process of negotiating a fast food outlet franchise. This is most likely a result of that Marvin loses the franchise, it's not his property, or there has been no preparation. He is thinking it's not that it was there. It's not like it was there before, right? He's thinking, right? Wasn't he thinking? So since he's in the process of negotiating for the Minister of Health promises that the old folks home, okay, this was folks home will remain open for the years. One of the intermittent sues, okay, so it closes, right? So it closes for economic reasons. Ellen and inhabitants sue because there's a violation of her legitimate expectation. Zena wishes to sue for an infringement on her fundamental rights. In which course does she go? She goes to the wouldn't this be the appeal court? But these are courts of second instance, so would it be the High Court? Please tell me down in the comment section. Alright. 30. This court does not and cannot inquire into the merit. Okay, so this is speaking about judicial review, the but-for principle, causation. So I hope if you listen to these videos over and over again, it soaks in. Which of the following below does the recklessness suffice as mens rea, involuntary manslaughter? The standard of proof on a criminal charge is beyond reasonable doubt. Beautiful. Which of the following is not an inchoate offense? Assault, assault is not an inchoate offense. Right? For which of the following crimes is malice of a thought? Murder. The basic tenet of criminal law trial is that the onus is on the prosecution or the crown. Which of the following may not result in criminal liability? The state of mind commit. Don't know. Need to have actus reus or actus reus and mens rea. The aim of the actus okay, let's talk about that later. The aim of this theory of sentencing is to seek to discourage a particular. Okay, this is individual deterrence, right? Let's have a look at this. Which of these phrases is not an element of the common law definition of murder? Age of discretion. Sandra points second. Okay, so we're looking at this would be attempted murder. Shamar, this question is always guilty. Which of the following situations best describes an assault under the common law? Mark threatens to settle near to settle her. Right? So we're looking at right. So let's look at this. Last couple questions. Heather and Inez, after robbing a store, throws a firebomb into the floor of a shop. John dies. This would be oblique intent, so it would be guilty of manslaughter. The death has arisen through oblique intent. Which of the following types of sentences is juvenile offenders likely to receive rehabilitation? And which of the following persons should have the best claim for the provision of limited expectations? So Carl revoked before expiration, not with new conditions. Nope, before expiration. So there would be a legitimate expectation that it must be revoked when on or after expiration date, not before expiration date. That's why it's expiration date. Nothing should happen before that, right? What I was saying about, what was it, state of mind? I was saying about something here. Alright. Okay, so this would be 2015's paper, right? So this is 2015 Law, Unit 1, Paper 1. I know I've been going a little bit fast, but to get the explanations for all of these questions, I hope that you take a look at the papers 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 until here. We have discussed most of them, right? And I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, right, please go and watch others so all the explanations can sink in over time. And I hope everything was nice. So please like, share, and subscribe.